In today's video, we're diving deep into BuildFire, a no-code mobile app development platform. All links are in the description below. BuildFire empowers businesses, entrepreneurs, and agencies to build apps quickly and efficiently. With customizable templates and powerful plugins, it's perfect for beginners and experienced developers alike. BuildFire is ideal for anyone wanting to build apps without coding. Whether it's for e-commerce, education, entertainment, or internal business solutions, BuildFire offers the flexibility you need. Its intuitive drag-and-drop interface simplifies design and functionality. Pre-built templates let you quickly set up your app's core structure, then refine it with advanced features. Think push notifications, in-app purchases, geolocation, and social media integration. BuildFire also integrates with third-party tools and services, connecting your app with external systems. Scalability is another key strength. As your app grows, you can seamlessly add features and expand functionality. BuildFire's customer support is fantastic, offering responsive assistance, in-depth guides, tutorials, and a dedicated support team. Publishing to the App Store and Google Play is seamless. Overall, BuildFire is a robust, user-friendly platform catering to a wide range of development needs. Whether you're a small business or a large agency, BuildFire provides the tools to create professional mobile apps with ease. I highly recommend it for anyone looking to develop an app without complex coding.